when life doesn't make sense, you just have to trust the process. Trust the divine being, trust the universe, that everything that's happening in your life at this moment is supposed to happen the way it's happening for your greater good, for you to become the person that you're destined to be in life. Trust yourself. Believe in yourself. Believe that you're stronger than you think, and believe that you are not your thoughts. You're capable of anything you put your mind to. It's not always easy to stay positive, but our mind is so powerful that we have such control of our thoughts. Trust. Just trust that everything's going to be all right. Trust that our Creator has a bigger and better plan for us. That our failures are just a big stepping stone in life. We are here temporarily, and don't forget that this is just a physical realm. There is more to life after we leave this physical body. And I'm ready. I'm ready to meet my Creator. I'm ready to know what's after this life. The best way for me to stay positive is to just enjoy my time in nature. To just be out here with nature and these cute little squirrels running around and these birds chirping. Life is good, God is good, our Creator is good, the universe is good, whatever you want to call it.